Hi, you are watching a short introduction on webinars. If you would like to attend our featured webinar but have never experienced a webinar before, this video will be of great help. A webinar is a seminar conducted through the internet. Like traditional seminars, webinars would have an organizer, a speaker, and an audience. The only difference is the venue. While traditional seminars would need to have one physical venue in which everyone can interact, webinars aren't limited by a physical space. The organizer, the speaker, and every member of the audience can be located separately, whether in another city, another province, or another country, connected only through the internet. Webinars are generally live online events. A webinar audience will be able to hear the speaker deliver his lecture, see his slides, communicate with him through voice or chat, or even view or interact with any application that's open on his computer, all in real time. Today, webinars are being used to connect with audiences for marketing, training, and educational purposes at lower costs and a potentially wider reach. To attend our featured webinar, you will only need the following: a computer, a fast and stable internet connection, and a headset or a set of speakers connected to the computer. You also have the option of using a microphone or a microphone headset in case you want to ask a question to the speaker using voice. For a smooth and uninterrupted webinar experience, your internet connection must be fast and stable. One way to check is to visit websites that measure connection speeds. Start the test, and if the results say that your download speed is around 1 Mbps or higher, then you have a greater chance of enjoying a smooth webinar session. If the featured webinar is scheduled in the afternoon, conduct this test also in the afternoon of a previous day, as connection speeds change throughout the day and night. Your webinar experience can also be adversely affected when your internet connection is being shared, such as through a network or if you're using a Wi-Fi hotspot. Also, downloading files or streaming online video and audio can result in a choppy webinar session. It will be best to get these out of the way before joining the webinar. To register for a featured webinar, visit the registration page, complete the form, and press submit. You will be sent an email containing a link that you will use to enter the webinar room on the scheduled date and time. Emails will automatically be sent to remind you of the webinar. And for your convenience, please enter the webinar room 10 minutes before the start of the session. Thank you for taking the time to view this orientation video. Register for a featured webinar by clicking the register button found on the events webpage. If you have any questions, send it to this email address. We look forward to your attendance.